Hello YouTube, welcome to my tutorial on how to make a good YouTube background in less than 20 minutes. Here are some examples. Here is my background at the moment. Here are some other ones you can also make. Open Cinema 4D and create a new file. Click on the freehand tool and select text. Type in anything you want. I just typed in subscribe because I'm going to be putting that next to on my YouTube layout next to the squares part. Click on the tool next to it and select Extrude NURBS. Drag the text on the Extrude NURBS so it'll make it appear 3D. Select both of them and copy them and paste them. Once you have that, just play around with them and make sure one of them, when you look at it from the front, one of them just comes out a little bit than the other one. It took me a while to get it because they're both the same color and it's kind of hard to see. Once you have it, go on Extrude NURBS and go on the caps option. Once you go on caps, select the start and the end should be both fillet cap. The radius should be 10 centimeters, as you can see. Then click away. It should appear more bubbly. Right now something happened. When I made them more bubbly, it hid the other text under it. So now I'll have to take it out and just put it more in the front. I want to do that because later I'll make them different colors. Alright, now you want to click in the bottom left corner twice. Click on the sphere and make it any color you want. Then click OK, exit, and drag the sphere onto the letter, one of the letters of the text. It should change the color. You can always see how it looks by clicking on the render option. Now I have to look for the other text that is not colored and is under that one, and I'm looking so I can make it pop out a little. You'll see what I'm doing in a second. Once you have it popping out a little, double click in the bottom left again. Basically do the same thing what you did with the sphere and color it another color. Make sure they're different colors. So one of them is red. For example, I'll make one of them red and one of them black. Once you do that, make the bigger text black and the one that's popping out red, just like I will in the video. You can just drag the red one to the smaller text. Then you can click render to see how it will look. That's how we want it to look. You can always change the color. Then position it into the screen so it looks good for the picture. Make sure you position it right. Use the tools on the top right to be able to move the text. Once you find a good position, go to the render options, render settings, make sure it's full render. Make sure the screen is 1280 by 1024, or you can make it bigger. But that's what I do, that's my recommendation. Then after you do that, go to the save options and make sure alpha channel is selected. Make sure you save it as a PNG file. Then just save it on your desktop as anything you want. Once you're done, you're just going to exit. You can save or not because the picture is already saved. Or you can just look in how it looks by going to the render to picture view. If it looks like this or something close to that, then it's good. You can exit. And you're done with the 3D text. Next comes up the Photoshop part. Alright, open up Photoshop and click open. From the link I provide, you should get the YouTube template. Once you click open, pull up the YouTube template. After you pull this out, you can go to Planner Renders, or you can just go on Google and get renders. They're like pictures for your layout. The render website I use is not working at the moment, or you can just go on Google, or it might be up soon, I don't know. I just have some on my desktop that I'll use. You can just go on Google Images and look up cool renders. Once you have them saved, open up Photoshop again and then click open. Open up two renders and your text, as you'll see right now. Okay, the phone rang, so I had to go, but I'm back. Open up two renders and your text. Go to your YouTube template, make a new layer by clicking there, set two colors to the bottom left as you can see, click on the gradient tool and just draw a line down. Go and select overlay. It should look something like this. Then go on your render or on your text, click Ctrl A to select all, Ctrl C to copy, go back to your YouTube template, Ctrl V to paste. Then move it around so you see it, Ctrl T, and then hold Shift and resize it. Then when it's ready, just click on the arrow again and just click apply. After that, go to Edit, Transform, and click on 90 degrees counterclockwise so you can put it next to your square thing. Once you do that, it's done. You can go on your first render. When you go on your render, select and delete the logo from the top. Then do the same thing. Ctrl A to select all, Ctrl C to copy, and Ctrl V to paste. Then Ctrl T to resize, hold Shift while you're resizing it, and just put it anywhere on the screen. After that, go to your second render. You can have as many as you want, but too many, it just looks dumb. Go to your second render, do the same thing, Ctrl Alt to select, Ctrl C to copy, and Ctrl V to paste. Make sure you delete the logo so it doesn't show up on your YouTube page. When you paste it, select a good place for it. I usually put it where my information about my profile is. And select the layer with the bottom square and click overlay so you can see the skull or anything you put. Then just save the image, or you can just add some extra features. You can add some brushes. There's different types of brushes. I don't have a lot of them, so I use a leaf. Some people have a lot of them. There's some good ones too. I just use the leaf for the video. You can put other things too. You can put in more renders if you want, but it would just look too complicated. This is all done in like 10 minutes. Then just put the brushes here and there just to make it more unique. Then save as. Go to save as. Click anywhere on your desktop to save it. Save it as a JPEG, as a JPG file. You can name it anything you want. Cool background YouTube. That's a good one. Select maximum and click OK. Then you can just close Photoshop. You can save your project if you want to edit it later, but I already have many of those, so I just exit. Then go in your YouTube profile. Just open up your browser, go in your YouTube profile, and just go to settings, themes, and just select it, and when it shows up, it's basically that's it. You'll see right now. Thanks for watching this, and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you rate, subscribe, thumbs up, and leave some good feedback. Thanks. Bye.